question is, how do I use vaginal boric acid suppositories correctly? Well, the first thing is to be clear that your doctor has checked that this medicine is safe for you and provided you with instructions about how long to use it for and how much to use at a time. Next, please follow those instructions. And thirdly, make sure you look at the information leaflet that comes along with the packaging so that you are familiar with any possible side effects that might develop. The vaginal boric acid usually comes as a capsule or pellet known as a suppository, which is meant only for use in the vagina. The pack will also typically come with an applicator, which is meant to help you insert the medicine, the suppository, into the vagina. Clean your hands before and after handling the applicator and inserting the medicine. Important recommendations: only use this medicine with the applicator that comes in its pack,